Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Fiat 500 battery step by step. Start by disconnecting the negative terminal first, then the positive terminal, and remove the clamp and hold down bracket. Lift the old battery straight out, avoiding tipping to keep acid contained. Clean the tray and terminals with a baking soda solution, then dry thoroughly. Position the new battery, secure the clamp, and reconnect positive before negative to finish safely. When removing the battery, be steady and deliberate to avoid accidents or spills. Wear gloves and glasses, and unwrap any terminal protectors before loosening. Keep a small container for bolts and clips so nothing wanders off. If the battery seems stuck, tap the tray gently rather than forcing it. Place the old battery on a sturdy surface away from children and pets to prepare for cleaning and inspection of the tray area. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical car tutorials. Quick recommendation: grab a little Tree's black ice to keep your Fiat smelling great after battery work, because life is too short for a stinky car. I put the product link and a few other deals in the description for easy access, so check there if interested. Now let's get back to the video. Installing the new battery is straightforward when you take your time and follow the order. Set the battery into the tray, align it with the hole down, and tighten the clamp until snug. Reattach the positive cable first, then the negative, and ensure terminals are seated and secure. Replace any plastic covers and clear tools from the engine bay. Test the ignition and electricals before lowering the hood to confirm everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.